In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets in QuickBooks Online. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to keep your spending on track and plan ahead, the budgets area is the perfect place to do it. I'll walk you through where to find your budgets, how to review them, and what actions you can take to keep everything organized and up to date. To begin, look to the left panel in QuickBooks Online and click on Financial Planning. From there, select the Budgets tab. This takes you to the central hub for all your budgets. Here, you'll see a list of every budget you've created, which makes it easy to scan through and quickly find the one you want. Think of this as your control center for planning, comparing, and adjusting as your business changes. On the right side of each budget, you'll notice a small caret icon. That's the action menu for that specific budget. Click it to reveal your options. You can run reports on the budget, which is great for comparing your actual results to what you planned and spotting trends or variances. You can choose View or Edit if you want to open the budget and make adjustments, or simply review the details. You'll also see options to archive, duplicate, or delete. Archiving is helpful when you want to clean up your list without removing history. It hides the budget from everyday view, but keeps it stored. Duplicating is perfect for rolling a budget forward to a new period or using an existing structure as a template. Deleting permanently removes the budget, so use that only when you're sure you won't need it again. Up in the top right corner of the Budgets page, you'll see buttons to import a budget or create a new one. Importing is handy if you've already prepared your numbers in a spreadsheet and want to bring them in quickly. Creating a new budget from here lets you build one inside QuickBooks Online when you're starting fresh. Choose whichever method fits your workflow. You can also open a budget directly by clicking its name in the list. This takes you into the budget so you can review the line items and make any edits you need, all in one place. It's an efficient way to make sure your plan reflects what's happening in your business, and that's all there is to it. With the Budgets tab, the Action menu, and the Import or Create options, you have everything you need to manage budgets in QuickBooks Online confidently.